My name is Kirsty.
My name is Sarah Sotomayor.
My name is Brooke Kreger.
My name is Jessica Faye Erickson.
My name is Elisa Duckworth.
My name is Brittany Feist.
Alexis Wolf.
My name is Christina Tarcell.
My name is Megan.
I'm a newlywed.
And I'm a college freshman.
I was a senior at Lafargeville Central School.
I was a healthy, vibrant, and fun-loving individual.
I was an honors student in art and philosophy.
Before Gardasil, I loved to play soccer and softball.
I loved basketball, cheerleading, anything to do with the outdoors.
After watching my sister have an ultrasound while she was carrying her child, I found my passion. I wanted to watch life grow in the early stages.
Before Gardasil, I was always out in nature, swimming, biking, playing all kinds of sports.
Jump on trampolines and ride my bike.
Before Gardasil, I loved photography, swimming, hiking, biking, and overall loved doing fun things.
I played on the tennis team, and I was art editor of the campus literary magazine.
I dreamt of becoming a mom.
My doctor recommended the Gardasil vaccine. She gave me all the right reasons.
Days after the shot, I was feeling dizzy.
Feeling lightheaded.
Now I'm not able to do much.
My joints and my muscles ached.
I started having really bad headaches.
Migraines,
Nosebleeds.
I'm in pain all the time.
seizures,
Are you still having seizures?
Yes.
excruciating body pain,
I cannot walk.
Then I started having fainting spells.
passing out,
I cannot use my hands.
I have gastroparesis and a damaged vagus nerve.
Autoimmune issues.
I was diagnosed with ITP.
I developed a condition called premature ovarian failure.
I started having bad stomach pains. My death came shortly after these symptoms began.
Just 40 hours after my last Gardasil shot, I died.
18 days after that third shot of Gardasil, I was found dead in my bed at college.
I am not a coincidence.
This is not a coincidence.
It's not a coincidence.
I'm not a coincidence.
I have over 80 of the symptoms from after the Gardasil shots. It is not a coincidence.
The shots did something.
Medical experts have determined that I died from an adverse reaction to Gardasil. My death is not a coincidence.
My parents and I were not told of the possible risks
And serious adverse reactions.
I could be facing or symptoms I could develop.
I was never told of the adverse effects that Gardasil could have.
I was not told there's no evidence that HPV vaccines will prevent cervical cancer.
And that the rates of cervical cancer in this country are very low, preventable without vaccination.
I have never thought my doctor could make me fight for my life every single day. I'm gonna please stop, Mom.
I was never told that I could be one less mother in the world.
I could be one less on the field.
That I would be one less person walking.
Did they tell us that you could become brain damaged?
No.
No mention of any side effects. I was never told that I could be one less.
Hours later, my mom found me. I was only 17. I was not told I could be one less person in my family.
I was not told I could be one less young woman in the world.
If you know any doctors, scientists, please ask them.
To help us.
To demand for further independent research
And congressional hearings for Gardasil and other HPV vaccines.
As they've done in other countries, and to find treatments for medical symptoms and diagnoses following Gardasil.
Because I am worth it and I'm not a coincidence.
Because you're worth it, and it's not a coincidence.
because I am worth it and I am not a coincidence.
My life was worth living, and my death is not a coincidence.
My life was taken from me by a vaccine I didn't even need.
They need to stop and they need to be held accountable for what they've done.
Stop the child, please. Please.
I am not a coincidence. I am worth it. I am not a number. I am a human being.